Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on what to do if you can't sign in to your HostGator dashboard. Accessing your dashboard is essential for managing your website, and these steps will help you regain entry quickly and securely. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password associated with your HostGator account. Double-check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 2. Reset your password if needed. Click on the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instructions sent to your registered email to create a new password. Step 3. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated or corrupted browser data can prevent login. After clearing, try logging in again. Step 4. Try a different browser or device. Logging in from another browser or device can help identify if the issue is device-specific. Step 5. Check your internet connection and firewall settings. Ensure that your network allows access to HostGator and that no firewall or antivirus software is blocking the login page. Step 6. If two-factor authentication is enabled, make sure you are entering the correct code from your Authenticator app or using backup codes. Step 7. Contact HostGator support if you still cannot log in. Provide your account details and explain the issue so their support team can assist you in regaining access safely. Following these steps should help you resolve most HostGator dashboard login issues and get back to managing your website without interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.